Cryptocurrency has become a vital part of modern investment strategies, prompting many investors to learn how to carry out tasks such as withdrawing, be it crypto or fiat currency, from platforms such as Binance. Whether you're seeking financial flexibility or aiming to take advantage of market trends, mastering how to withdraw is very important. This video explores how to withdraw both crypto and fiat currency from your Binance account. Before we get started, smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications to stay updated on our latest content. As I mentioned in my previous videos, an important thing that you probably already know is that you have to create and maintain a Binance account to access the platform's services. If you're finding it difficult to open an account, be sure to check out our tutorial on that. Now, I want you to pay attention to the option that says Referral ID when opening your account. If you use my referral code, T7J9MB5J, you'll get an extra 20% off on your trading rates, which you will have to pay for every trade that you make on this exchange. All you have to do to get that 10% off is as easy as going to the Referral ID drop-down and click on it. After that, a field will open, and all you have to do is type in my referral code. I will leave the code in the description below. Once you use my referral code, you'll get an extra 20% off your trading fees. This could end up being a lot of money, especially if you are planning to do a lot of trading on Binance. So, taking your crypto off Binance or transferring money from Binance to your bank account doesn't have to be complicated. It just requires understanding a few key steps. Knowing the process ensures a smooth experience, from choosing the correct withdrawal options to confirming transaction details. Now, we'll first dive into the steps involved in withdrawing cryptocurrency from Binance. Start by logging into your Binance account and heading to the crypto withdrawal page. Here, you'll find several options for where you can send your crypto assets. Whether you aim to transfer your funds to an external wallet or another crypto exchange, choosing the right method is essential. Be sure to select a compatible receiving address for the cryptocurrency you're withdrawing, because using the wrong crypto network could result in lost funds. After selecting the method, the next step is to enter the new withdrawal address for your wallet or the receiving address on another exchange. It's vital to ensure these details are accurate, as any mistakes can be irreversible. Following this, you'll specify the withdrawal amount, making sure it meets Binance's minimum withdrawal requirements. You may also need to confirm the transaction details and complete a security verification on the withdrawal page. Carefully review all the information, and if everything is correct, proceed with the withdrawal request. Binance will process the transaction and send your crypto assets to the designated address. It's as easy as that. Now, let's take a look at how to withdraw funds from Binance to your bank account. To withdraw funds from Binance to your bank account, start by navigating to the Fiat and Spot page on the Binance website, where you'll see your fiat balance. Select the currency that you'd like to withdraw and choose the bank transfer option from the drop-down menu. Next, enter the required bank account details and confirm the withdrawal amount, keeping in mind the transaction fee and minimum withdrawal requirements. After receiving the details, you can submit the withdrawal request. Binance will process the transaction, and the funds will appear in your bank account within the specified time. It's also as easy as that. Before we wrap up this video, let's explore one of the simplest ways to purchase cryptocurrency on Binance, and that's by using a credit or debit card. On the Binance welcome screen, select the option to buy crypto with your credit card. If you're already logged in, hover over the Buy Crypto tab on the homepage and choose Credit/Debit Card. Next, you'll need to select the currency you'll use for the payment and the cryptocurrency you want to buy. Click Continue to proceed to the next step, where you can choose your payment card. If you prefer to set up recurring purchases or sales, simply toggle the Recurring Buy option. Next, input your credit or debit card details and confirm the amount. Then click Add New Card and ensure you're using a card registered in your name. After that, fill out your billing address and click Add Card, which will return you to the Buy Crypto via Card page. Double-check the amount you're purchasing, then click Continue. Review your order details one more time. If you agree to Binance's terms of use and privacy policy, tick the checkbox and click Confirm to complete the payment. Once done, the cryptocurrency you bought will be credited to your fiat and spot wallet. Now, for those who don't have an account, the entire process, from account creation to purchase completion, typically takes around 10 minutes. Once again, don't forget to use my referral code when opening an account to enjoy a discount. I have left it in the description and comment section below, so be sure to check it out. It'll help you save a lot of money. For more Binance tutorial videos, check out our previous content. And be sure to subscribe to the channel because we have more videos on the way.